Welcome to PGEUP Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss how we can create YouTube channel art with an easy and quick method. Before the start, I request you, if this is your first time here and you want to be notified every time we post a new video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss our new update. So here are some files you can see. You need to download these files. The download link is available in the description. This is basically the resolution of channel art. We will do all the editing according to its resolution. Just open in the file in any photo editing software. I am using Adobe Illustrator to edit it. You can easily do it with Paint if you don't need much editing. So you can see this is the resolution where we do all the editings. The outer area is the area that we will see on our TV. This is the area that we will see on our big screen desktop computers. This area we will see on our tablets. And this the main working area. This area we'll see on our mobile and our personal computers. Now we are going to categorize it with different colors. Now I am just typing my channel name in the white area. We can do editing as our desired design. And finally, save it. So I hope you learned from this video. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching it.